does anyone remember not too long ago when Florida was saying, you know, you come from New York and New Jersey, we might think twice about welcoming you here because of the serious number of cases that you have. Those were the number one in 2 states for coronavirus cases. Now, New York and some of these other northeastern states are targeting Florida, among a host of others, including Alabama, Arkansas, North Carolina, South Carolina, Texas, Arizona, and Utah, where there have been a sudden series of spikes in cases, and saying, you know, we might quarantine those folks who come here for up to 14 days or not allow them to come here at all. It gets to be pretty messy. Laura Ingle following it right now in Long Island, New York, with the reasons and where things are going there. Laura.
Hi, Neil. Well, as Jackie said, just in time for summer travel, dramatic new increases in COVID numbers has led to dramatic measures to keep people safe across the U.S. and especially here in the Northeast. As you mentioned, new restrictions going into place starting at midnight. We want to show you this map of where 22 states in just the last week have seen a spike in new cases, 20% or higher. That's including California, Arizona, Florida, South Carolina, and Texas. Now, within the last hour, as you had mentioned, Texas Governor Greg Abbott announced the state will now pause its additional reopening phases after health officials in his state reported over 4,300 new hospitalizations of COVID patients yesterday, a record high for the 13th straight day. Abbott releasing a statement last hour which reads in part, as we experience an increase in both positive COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations, we are focused on strategies that slow the spread of this virus while also allowing Texans to continue earning a paycheck to support their families. And as the numbers continue to surge in southern and western states like Arizona, healthcare workers there say they are becoming quickly overwhelmed and need more tests and are no longer able to meet testing demands in some areas. Now, this nationwide spike is prompting governors in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut to announce a mandatory 14-day quarantine from anyone visiting the 8 hardest hit states. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo says if you fly into his state, they'll have your name, they'll know where you are supposed to be staying, and there will be random checks. And anyone who violates this quarantine, Neil, could face up to $10,000 in fines. A little piece of good news for New York. Hospitalizations here have dropped below 1,000 for the first time since March 18th. Neil?